white-breasted nuthatch. Some brief thoughts about notebooks. I love notebooks. I have a lot of them. And I would fill up 1 or 2 pages and then start a new notebook and a new notebook, and then everything, all of these just had 1 or 2 or 4 pages filled up with some notes or lists, and it was completely unmanageable, and I couldn't find what I'd written down because everything got lost in the pile. So I took that pile of notebooks and I tore out every page that had anything written on it and threw it away. And now I've started fresh with 4 notebooks. And each notebook gets a label with this Brother P-Touch label maker, which my friend Bjorn told me to get, and I just love it. Hello? This is fantastic. Now, for instance, lists. This is the notebook I take with me to the hardware store or to buy materials with a list of what I need to purchase for that trip. That's the only thing that ever goes in here. This is my daily journal, my log that I started on October 4, and I write down everything that I did during the day to keep a journal of it. Project management with clients. These are all project notes, build notes. I don't like using my phone. I don't like using the computer for project management. I prefer to write it all down. So this has brought me some organization and some calm to my notebook system, and now I know where things are. And it's just peace. Peace.